Namaste and welcome to India in International Expo happening in Bharat Mandapam, New Delhi. So your name, you're from, I know you are Sri Lanka and is very popular running an institute in Sri Lanka. So can you share something, your experience about journey, how many days you are started and how's your experience about repair service? And we have very good relation with the India and Sri Lanka.
Yes.
Always you are coming and you are like so excited about the repair and service industry.
Then I have experience in 15 years experience.
15 years experience,
Yes.
only repair service or training?
No, repair service.
Repair and service.
Yes, training experience.
Right now, I know you are like sharing knowledge also and the training about. You are so excited about training.
Yes. Then I have training experience is 6 years.
6 years.
Yes.
So how many student you trained?
I think 1,000.
My God.
Since experience.
In all Sri Lanka only.
Yes, all Sri Lanka.
So how many days training program you have?
I have 10 days. Only Android.
Only Android 10 days.
Yes.
And how much you will charge for the like in approx Indian currency?
Indian currency means Sri Lankan 85,000.
Okay.
I think Indian 20,000 or something.
20,000.
हाँ.
इंडिया के 20,000 रुपीस के अंदर ये एंड्रॉइड का चिप लेवल सिखाते हैं. लास्ट 6 इयर्स का इनका एक्सपीरियंस है ट्रेनिंग से रिलेटेड. सो व्हाई नॉट दैट आईफोन चिप लेवल टेक्नीशियन? आईफोन आल्सो पीपल आर इंटरेस्टेड. सो ओनली रिपेयर एंड सर्विस एंड्रॉइड ओनली.
Yes, I am interested only Android.
Android, and you are happy with that?
Yes, but I think iPhone pehla baat we need to learn Android.
Okay.
Because I think
First basic is very important.
yes, basic very important. Android mean that you think iPhone they have similar products. They only models is no lot of models. But Android have lot of models, lot of CPUs, lot of power ICs, lot of boot-in.
You'll take fresher or like all experience?
No, I am not taking pressure.
Only experience.
Only experience. Only advanced level.
Only advanced level upgrade course
yes,
करने का. इंडियन करेंसी में 20,000 होता है और श्रीलंका में 85,000 रुपीस होता है. Like India in Mobialive Expo, like you have any
No.
experience?
Sri Lanka no. Decide future.
Okay.
This like event we.
So like what today you are getting like tools experience, like how it is like your what you are in mind? I'll go to India in Expo, like what your expectation? It's a full field or like is there any missing? You want to share something like it's a good or you want to like this much should be add? Yeah, you can improve these things. Your experience about this Expo?
Yes, I need to improve my knowledge.
So
And
you want to visit like all the install?
Yes.
You already visit?
No. Now only
Now
one by
you
one
just
visiting.
entered.
Yes. I need to more experience for tools. What is the best tools? Because I have a lot of students.
Okay.
And I will know. I need to share my experience of my students.
Superb.
Yes,
That
because
F64 you have like?
Yes, F64 I have.
Is it like easy? You want to learn today that workshop is happening in that
No,
Expo?
F64 I think easy.
Easy, yeah.
Then I because I am doing only hardware knowledge. Then I am not most sharing software knowledge because I think my knowledge F64 is the best box, very fast. It's
Okay.
good.
You want to share something in about Expo and that how that they are doing Mobialive Expo that in India is like happening. This is the 5th time.
Yeah, Expo is I think I have a lot of participation in Mobialive.
Okay.
And China, Indonesia, I have already participated.
Always like you are traveling,
yes,
like
traveling.
always like learning. You have such a
yes.
beautiful
I think,
attitude.
this time I see this is the biggest event. Most
भारत मंडपम जहाँ मोदी जी करते हैं वहाँ हम रिपेयर एंड सर्विस इंडस्ट्री का एक्सपो कर रहे हैं इंटरनेशनल लेवल का. एंड राइट नाउ वी हैव फ्रॉम श्रीलंका सच ए नाइस पर्सनालिटी एंड दिल से बहुत अच्छे इंसान है. थैंक यू सो मच योर शेयरिंग एक्सपीरियंस. यू वांट टू शेयर समथिंग लाइक?
No, it's just a big event and good for all technicians. Not for India, internationally. I will always invite international technician. Next time Mobialive.
Yes.
Please join this.
Super.
Thank you very much.
Thank you so much for sharing your experience.